Good morning everyone. Welcome to Ujjwala IAS Academy. So we are trying to cover current affairs in the form of MCQs for helping you in the upcoming exam of UPSC Prelims 2020. So today we will discuss the MCQs of 19th May, and you can also join us on our Telegram channel where we upload all these PPTs and you can do multiple revision of them. So before starting the MCQs, let's see what are the 10 topics which we are going to discuss in today's MCQs. So here is the list is given, and please do take a pause when you see questions on the screen and try to get at least 7 questions correct out of 10. You can also adjust the speed of the video. So work hard, be consistent, regularly watch our videos, and let's start our today's MCQs. So question number 1 is with reference to Global Nutrition Report 2020. The statement first, the annual report is released by FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. Second, higher number of Indian children are stunted and underweight as compared to average rate of Asia. Here the correct option is B, that is second only, and statement first is incorrect because the Global Nutrition Report is annually released by World Health Organization, not FAO. And as per the recent report, India is among 88 countries that are likely to miss global nutrition target by 2025 and has the highest rate of domestic inequalities in malnutrition. Well, between 2000 and 2016, rate of underweight children has decreased, but it is still high compared to the average of 35.6% of boys and 31.8% for girls in Asia, and around 37.9% of children under 5 years are stunted and 20.8% are wasted compared to the Asia's average. Here you have to find out what does it mean wasted. So don't take the literal meaning of wasted. Another finding is that 1 in 2 women in reproductive age is anemic, and the rate of obesity continues to rise, affecting almost 1/5 of the adults. Now question number 2 is with reference to direct seeding of rice. Statement first, DSR is farming method that drills the seeds directly into the field using a tractor powered machine. Second, DSR requires water logging in the field as method of weed management. So here the correct option is A, that is 1 only, and statement second is incorrect because DSR is water efficient method and it uses herbicides for weed management. And recently this method is in news because Punjab and Haryana are shifting towards direct seeding method as they face a shortage of an estimate 10 lakh laborer for traditional rice transplantation. And in transplanting, farmers prepare nurseries where the paddy seeds are first sown and raised into young plants which are then uprooted and planted 25 to 35 days later in the main field. And this transplantation method requires waterlogging, not direct seeding method. Now question number 3 is with reference to ultraviolet light. Statement first, UV light has longer wavelength than visible light and so not visible to the naked eyes. Statement second, UV light kills cells and its increased exposure can enhance the risk of cancer. So here the correct option is A, B actually, that is second only, and statement first is incorrect because UV light from the sun has shorter wavelengths than visible light, not longer, and therefore it not visible to the naked eyes. And the full spectrum of UV radiation can be subdivided into UVA, UVB and UVC rays. And in this spectrum, UVC rays are the most harmful and completely absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere. And context is that scientists are studying the use of ultraviolet germicidal radiation to detect the virus in public places. Now question number 4 is Champions portal in news recently has been launched by which of the following ministry? So the correct option is B, that is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. And champions stand for creation and harmonious application of modern processes for increasing the output and natural strength. And it is a technology driven control room cum management information system, and the system utilizes modern ICT tools and is aimed to assist Indian MSMEs to enter big league as nation and global champion. And it is a real one-stop solution for MSME in ministry. Now question number 5 is, the Global Energy Transition Index has been recently released by which of the following organization? So the correct option is B, that is World Economic Forum. And this index is based on performance of the country on environmental sustainability, energy security and readiness for transition to sustainable, secure, affordable and inclusive energy system. And India has been ranked 74 out of 115 countries, which is showing improvement in key parameters such as energy security, growth and environmental sustainability. And India is one of the few countries that has made consistent progress since 2015 as per the report. And the top country is Sweden, followed by Switzerland and Finland. Now question number 6 is, which are the sectors in India dependent on imports? First, active pharmaceutical ingredients. Second, medicinal advices, medical devices actually, like ventilators. Third, local dye stuff units. Fourth, smartphones and computers. So the correct option here is D, that is all of the above. And electrical equipment such as smartphones and computers are a key part of India's import bill, and medical devices like ventilators also rely on imports for several crucial components. And according to CRISIL, about 18% of India's total merchandise import are from China, and India has a trade deficit with China, and it is a net importer from China. And that's why recently PM brought up the importance of local manufacturing and consumption of locally produced goods, stating that India needs to become vocal for local. Now question number 7 is, consider the following characteristic of tropical rainforest. First, very high annual rainfall and high average temperatures. Second, nutrition rich soil and high levels of biodiversity. Third, primates are iconic example of tropical rainforest. We have to find out incorrect statement. So the correct option here is B, because the statement second is incorrect. Because in rainfall or tropical rainforest, the soil are nutrient poor because nutrients are not stored in them for longer period, as the heavy rain that occur in rainforest wash organic material from the soil. And although decomposition occur rapidly in hot moist condition, many of the dead fallen leaves and other organic detritus are swept away before releasing all their nutrients. And primates are a group of animals that include human, great apes and monkeys, which are very common in tropical rainforest. For more additional information, you can refer this image. Now question number 8 is, recently line of actual control was in news. Statement first, it is a demarcation line between India and China. Second, it was formed after the 1962 war. So the correct option here is C, meaning both the given statements are correct. So here is the map is given, and LAC separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory in the former princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. And LAC is around 4,000 kilometer porous border which is running through glaciers, snow deserts, mountains and rivers, which are separating India and China, and both the nations have differing perceptions for this LAC. Now question number 9 is, recently Hindu Marriage Act 1955 was in news. So you have to choose the incorrect statement regarding the act. And here the correct option is C, meaning this statement is incorrect. That is, since commencement of the act, cruelty was a ground for divorce, and it is incorrect because when it was first passed, this act did not have cruelty as a ground for divorce, but after an amendment in 1976, that this basis became available for seeking both divorce and judicial separation. And recently, Bombay High Court grants a divorce and held that a wife writing to her husband's employer with unfounded allegation about him constitutes actionable cruelty under this act, and if allegations are made in written and if they are baseless, it may cause mental pain to other side. Now question number 10 is, Shyok river flows in which of the following part of India? And the correct option is A, that is Ladakh. So here is the map is given, and this river originates from Remo Glacier in Karakoram range, and it is also called the river of death, and it is a tributary of river Indus, and it is a transboundary river flowing through China, that is from Tibet, India and then Pakistan, and is originate in China and then joins Indus in POK region. POK region is very much in news, so you must be knowing regarding these rivers as well. So that's all in our today's MCQs. Hope you guys are liking the lecture. Now question for you is, where is the headquarter of World Health Assembly? Plus you have to tell, is India member of World Health Assembly or not? And if you want to contact us, these are the details. We are always there to help you and to listen your genuine queries. And if you want information regarding UPPSC and its examination test series, you can also contact us. So stay safe, stay healthy, have a nice day and thank you.